In this video, I'll show you how to add Booking.com reviews to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elfsight. Now, that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the review section, and down below you will find Booking.com reviews. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. Now that's going to take us down to the template builder where we could start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and on the right corner of the frame, click on the expand arrows. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to what you're looking for now. And for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and in here, you will have about 6 options. On the source section, what you can do is add your Booking.com URL, and to do that, on Booking.com, you want to head over to your listing, and then on the right hand side beside Reserve, you will actually see a Share button. Simply click on the Share button, and in here, you want to click on Copy Link. Now let's head over back to Elfsight, and in here, you just want to press on Ctrl V on the Booking.com URL. Once you're done, it should collect the data and it should share within the widget. Below, what you could also do is add an AI-generated summary, so if you click on the AI-generated summary button, in here, you can turn this off or turn it on. Once you do turn it on, below you will see the summary style that you can choose from. You can choose from a list or a text, and even add a text typing animation as well as an AI picture. On the layout section, this is where you can choose from one of the layouts that are available, and if you click on the See All Layouts button, you will see all of the layouts that are available, even the badges. Once you're done, just simply go to the top and on the right hand side and then click on Done. Below, what you could also do is customize the layout. You could change the width, the columns, the rows on desktop, as well as the rows on mobile, the item spacing, and if you have a carousel or a slider layout, you will have an autoplay animation, as well as change the animation style. On the header section, this is where you can choose if you want to add the header. If you don't want, just simply toggle it off, but if you do, you will have the element section here on the bottom, which you can tick on or off if that is something that you want to add. Below, you can also add a widget title, and if you don't want to add one, just simply turn it off. On the review section, this is where you can change your review style. You have about 3 options. And below, what you could also do is add your review source style, and you will also have a few options to choose from. If you click on the Customize button, you can customize the review style by showing the things that you want to show within the review. On the Style section, this is where you can change your color scheme from light to dark, as well as change the accent colors depending on your color scheme. Below, you can also change the color of the background, header, rating, review, navigation arrows, as well as pagination. On the Settings section, this is where you can also change the language and even add auto-translate reviews. Once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just head over to the top and the right hand side and then click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code on the right hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you're on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between two sections, and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to click on Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed in Social, simply click on that one. Under Embed Code on the right-hand side, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and then click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, what you want to do is delete everything that is in here. We want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate, so once you're done, simply press on Ctrl V to paste the code. From here, just go over to the bottom and click on the Update button so we can view the changes. As you can see, you should be able to see your widget. On the left corners of the frame, you will see the circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. I have here a personalized code that I've shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you just want to click on the code, and then you want to click on Edit Code here below. On the left-hand side, what you want to do is press on Ctrl V in order for you to paste the code. Under Font Family, this is where you can change a few things in order for you to change the font in which you want it to be. And then once you're done at the bottom, click on Update again so we can view the changes. As you can see, we have successfully changed the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have Booking.com reviews on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out. In this video, I'll show you how